I am amazed at the sound of these little pedals. They are small but big in sound. Beforehand, I could take 1 or 2 pedals on the road. Now I take 3 or 4. Especially if you fly around Europe and you have to take your hand luggage. It's perfect deal to go. They don't change the color of your guitar. I'm using everything at 12 o'clock. I don't know if you can see the knob on the top. The blue one is on 0. Means it's very little, very little. The pedal is still in 0, 5. Check how the funk sounds. The knob on the top is on 5. I don't know if you can see it. The volume is a little bit dropped. It's less volume to make it less obvious. The knob on the top is on 0, and you can use this one as a booster, a clean booster when you do your solos. Another thing that I like to do with these ones is to play legatos, because every note sounds very similar, very equal. Hope you like it. I will keep making more videos about these little guys. See you guys.